Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 2 of phase 2. The title is Teenoorgesteldes, which in English means opposites. In English we would say tall, and in Afrikaans lank, lank, lank. Short, kort, kort, kort. Strong, sterk, sterk, sterk. Weak, swak, swak, swak. High, hoog, hoog, hoog. Low, laag, laag, laag. Happy, gelukkig, gelukkig, gelukkig. Unhappy, ongelukkig, ongelukkig, ongelukkig. Fast, vinnig, vinnig, vinnig. Slow, stadig, stadig, stadig. Let's practice some sentences. In English we would say, he is tall. And in Afrikaans, hy is lank. Hy is lank. He is short. Hy is kort. Hy is kort. This house is strong. Hierdie huis is sterk. Hierdie huis is sterk. This house is weak. Hierdie huis is swak. Hierdie huis is swak. This tree is high. Hierdie boom is hoog. Hierdie boom is hoog. This bush is low. Hierdie bos is laag. Hierdie bos is laag. This boy is happy. Hierdie seun is gelukkig. Hierdie seun is gelukkig. This boy is unhappy. Hierdie seun is ongelukkig. Hierdie seun is ongelukkig. A car is fast. A kar is vinnig. A kar is vinnig. A snail is slow. A slak is stadig. A slak is stadig.